Hey guys, I wanted to make a video for you today. This is for people that decided that they think they would like to wear a mask, but they have no masks. They understand that the masks, the official masks that are available are for medical personnel, but they want to have something that they can wear. And this is also meant for people that have no real mechanical abilities whatsoever. If you are able to sew, then you don't need this video. Okay? So what I came up with, I looked around and tried to come up with a mask that somebody could make from common objects right in their house. And probably what most of us have in our house is our coffee filters. This will work very nicely with these cone filters, and then I'm going to show you how to make one with a round filter. Probably most of us have this bag of rubber bands from our junk drawer. So the first step is you're gonna daisy chain some rubber bands together. Okay, well these are all beat up. Okay, find a couple that are stretchy. And a daisy chain a rubber band together, you're basically looping it through and then putting it through itself, right? We've probably all done this back when we were kids. Okay, and then you're going to do that a few times depending on the rubber bands you have. These ones that I have here are pretty thick. They're unnecessarily thick. Really, the thin ones probably work even better. Okay, and you probably want to do probably about a foot or less. And then you want to test it by taking it, putting it around the back of your head, and it should come right to your cheekbones here. So I got a gigantic head, so I could probably use one more. Okay, daisy chain those together, and then you've made a nice rope. Okay, it feels pretty good. Then you'll find yourself a couple paper clips, which most of us should have and be able to find, or something similar. Okay, and then you just put it all the way through there, like that. So you have like kind of a little hook on that end. Do the same on the other end. Well, these paper clips are rusty, they're really old. All right, so then when you get it all together, you have something like that. Then you're gonna take your cone coffee filter. Okay, you're gonna look like an idiot when you wear this, but if you're willing to accept that, and everybody does it, and we can decorate these up to look like a duck or something, you'll be cool. So what you want to do is you're going to take your little hook, and you don't want to go right in the middle, and it probably depends on your face. You might want to experiment with this. But I go about maybe 2/3 of the way up, and you just poke through one side like that, and then squish your paper clip back together a little bit. Do the same on the other side. All right, just poke it through like that, and you are done. Then, let's see, open this up, kind of scrunch it out a little bit. And then when you put it on, you want to actually hold the rubber band like this and kind of stretch it back, and start by putting it behind your head, and then pulling it forward. That way you don't put too much pressure on the mask. Okay, you put it on, boom, you're done. You're Mr. Duck person. Okay, so you've made your mask, and now when the coffee filter, you feel like you want to replace it or whatever, you save the rubber band and the paper clips. All you do is unhook it. You unhook it like that. Oh, there you go. Throw the mask away, or throw the coffee filter away, and then you reuse this to save all your hard work. Okay, so now onto one of these guys. These are going to be a little more difficult. They're not going to seal as well. They're not as heavy duty. They rip pretty easily. And we're going to need to pinch it up to make like more of a conforming shape, like that cone. So what we got to do is, you'll see you got these pleats already in it. So you're going to fold it. You're going to have to experiment with this for your own face. But you're gonna go ahead and fold those up. Okay? So, I don't know, you'll fold them up a few times. Then you'll take your paper clip and you'll try to put it through that whole stack. And this is where it gets difficult because it's easy to stab the heck out of yourself with a paper clip. Okay? And pinch up the other side. Okay, do the same. Okay. And same thing, you can see I did it more towards one side than the other. So this side will go over my nose. And you give it a test fit, and then you might have to adjust. Once you've done it a few times, you'll know what you want to do for you. Okay, that fits. Maybe not quite as good. And then you can always adjust. See, I got this up here in my eyes. So I can come back here, fold it a little bit. See if maybe that helps. There you go. Some people might even prefer the look of this one. What do you think? All right, I hope that helped somebody. Pass it around.